Rege tugacokereria na riu tugithii na mbere mbutu ya mawakiri kuma miaho yothe ya cira uria uhanditwo gutetia na gutetera maumirira ma githurano merekereire mahoya mao kuri acirithania mugwanja muthenya wa muthia wao wa guthikiriria cira uyu. Itua ria muthia rigie mahoya maya riu ritigitwo moko-ini ma acirithania aya kuheana mwerekera wa kana githurano nigiatabanirio na njira igwete kana aca. Mwarikito Julius Karithi wa Munene ni uhariri riboti ino.
Muthenya wa muthia wa miaho ya thitangani na thitango kuria na gucokaniria ciuria mbere ya acirithania mugwanja cirini wa gutetia mumirira ma githurano igoti ritigitwo na kiri kia mahoya na maathana ma gutuithania ngarari ici mbere ya itu ria muthia kurekererio Jumatatu.
My Lady the Chief Justice, Article 138 must not die in your hands. We are most obliged.
Mwena wa thitangani urahoya igoti rike maundu matiganite marani hamwe na guteaniria githurano rianiria Raila Odinga ta muhotani ritacukiri kinya muikariri giti wa ABC gatagati-ini ka mahoya mangi riri mawakiri ya mwena wa thitango maiguithite igoti na mahoya ma kwenda rekindire wagiriru wa githurano rekindire uhotani wa President Muthure William Ruto ritikiranire ati mutaratara wa githurano wari mwagiriru gatagati-ini ka maundu mangi.
The only remedy available, my lords, Justice Ouko, the Chief Justice and member of the court, is a nullification. This is no longer the baby of Raila Amolo Odinga V. This is no longer the baby of William Samoei Ruto, Doctor, the first respondent. This is the baby of Wanjiku. It is the baby of Kenyans. Return this baby to Kenyans to determine to whom they shall hand over the baby after 60 days.
Mahoya na mawatho maria matirirwo ni wira wa o mwena mawakiri ya mwena wa thitangani marauga igoti ritiri na gitumi o giothe gia kwaga guteaniria mumirira ma githurano kia president kuona wira wao wonanite muikariri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati ni yagararire gicunje kinene kia watho wa ithurano na njira ya kwanirira mumirira atari na irathimo cia makomishona na IEBC.
And don't shy away if you find it necessary to indict Mr. Wafula Chebukati for the transgressions and the singular manner in which he has run the IEBC to the detriment of Kenya.
Naguo mwena wa athitango oete igoti kunyita wira wa gatiba na moko meri na gwathana ati Chebukati ndagararire watho o wothe akianirira maumirira amu ni mutaratara wa kuruhanagia makomishona othe o kuma kiambiriria. Yenye ria guthara ndaika cia muthia iri heanitwo ni igoti kuri o mwena mawakiri ya mwena wa IEBC na a President Muthure William Ruto mahoete igoti riteanirie ndeto cia amathitangi iri ciumite nja wa uhoro makiuga matiracoke ciuria indi no mahinda marateanira.
Can veto the sovereign will of the people of Kenya? Can the walking away of commissioners at the tail end of a process they have been involved in be the basis of vetoing the right to franchise in Article 38 of the Constitution, which is the expression of the voter?
What we are listening to is not a reply. It is a rehash of the case afresh, and it is leaving us in a very vulnerable position because new issues are being raised, and we have had or may not have, unless you assure us, my lady, that we will have an opportunity to reply.
Wakiri wa muthitangani na Bainya Khelef Khalifa Willis Otieno ahoete igoti ritikahuthirie wira urutetwo ni makomishona ana IEBC aria meyeheranie na Chebukati amutiria mbere manandikira Chebukati marua makwa kuiganira na uria aratwarithia maundu ari kiumbe.
An alligator comes out of the water and tells you that the crocodile is sick. Do you doubt him? When the commissioners come out and tell you that our processes are opaque, our processes are not as per the Constitution, do you doubt them? I urge you, don't doubt them.
Mwaho wa mawakiri aria mombanĩire IEBC na gutetia uhotani wa Ruto marori igoti gwathana ria ateaniria maumirira ma githurano kuona kuringana nao mutaratara wothe wa gutarana kwanĩrĩra maumirira macio wari muthoge ukaingĩrĩrwo ni raia mabũrũri mangĩ.
The toothless bulldog is long dead and buried. Please, Madam Chief Justice and honorable judges of this court, bite and bite for the glory of this court.
Now, I think given the time limitations that this court has to do a recount and a retally properly, that section is one that is not very helpful or useful. The requirement of the Constitution under Article 140, Sub-Article 3, is for a nullification of an election that is found not to have been in compliance with the Constitution. That is number one.
Ona kuri uguo mawakiri ya mwena wa athitango mombete ruthingo rwa koya igoti ritianire ihoya ria amathitangi kuona mutaratara wa githurano ndwari no cuke na ate ona Ruto ni akinyire gicunje kia 50 gia kura kuongerera imwe na njira ya uma na ate amathitangi ni magite wira wa thitango ciao.
Said that earlier, we all thought we had. Despite that, Mr. Mashari has taken 30 minutes to argue factual issues, going to affidavits, nothing on a point of law that he responded to. In my submission, therefore, the court will be perfectly entitled to disregard every word he uttered.
Mahoya maya mothe riu makirite ngoro-ini cia acirithania mugwanja na macokio makeyumiria muthenya wa mwambiririo ria itu ria muthia rikarekererio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV. Jitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.
Magavana athure a Mombasa na mwena wa Kakamega nio Abdul Somad Nasil na Fernandes Barasa makehitithio tariki 15 mweri uyu wa kenda kuligana na kamiti ira hariria mihango iyo county ni ya Kakamega igitongorania ni James Ochami igogona rigekiro kiharo-ini kia Buhungu na Jenga Wambui niwe wina riboti ino.
Ni mucamanio uria urehete hamwe kanjo iri irabanga mihango ya kwihitithia gavana muthure wa Kakamega Fernandes Barasa kinengerwo matamu ma wathani ni gavana uria urehera Wycliffe Oparanya igongona-ini riria rigekwo tariki 15 mweri uyu.
Definitely we'll have to make this as one of the best inauguration ceremonies because we expect even our party leader Raila Amolo Odinga may be in attendance and all the other dignitaries from the Azimio coalition. So let's give it our best for them to feel that really Kakamega is the true leader of all the counties in the Western region.
Barasa ugite anengerwo tongoria kambiriria na kuriha mathiri ma onjoria maria maratigarite hindi ya wathani wa Governor Oparanya.
I'll be keen to just see issues around disbursements, both and from the other side, what is pending, what is expected. I wouldn't want this county to be featuring in newspapers that auctioneers have come because there was a matter which was not addressed.
Ohogete muroto wake ni kurehe wathi mweru county ya Kakamega hogeine cioremi wonjoria na wabici-ini cia thirikari makirio heani-ini wa motungata kuri muingi.
We want to take this county to another level because we have a solid foundation that has been put by the outgoing governor, and for me the beauty is I'll be building on that foundation just to make it better. So I'm looking forward to your support because most of you are HODs, so that at least we see how we can progress.
Barasa ayukirio hotani thutha wa guthurwo na kura 192 na 768 na tigiti wa kiama kia ODM akirumirirwo ni uria urari seneta wa county yo Cleopas Malala wa kiama kia ANC uria waheirwo kura 59 na 275. Oparanya areherwo tongoria-ini wa county thutha wake kurikia miaka 10 ari gavana wa Kakamega. Meharirio tamaya ni marathi na mbere county ya Mombasa kuria gavana muthure Abdul Somad Nasir onake akehitithio tariki 15 mweri uyu akiyukio tongoria kuma kuri Ali Hassan Joho uria urarikitie na riake ria keri na ria muthia ta gavana. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, jitagwo Jenga Wambui.